You splashing? Are you splashing?
Jump. You little Gronk squeaking. Please don't sit. Alexis, get up.
What are you doing?
Sitting. Ew, no, 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 no! Don't eat it. Ew, oh my god.
That's only water.
Trailer park puddles.
Did you see any oil or anything in that water? No, no.
Oh, she'll throw it. Good job.